There was so much discussion during the government shutdown about how the government data blackout would impact the Fed's ability to gauge both inflation and employment. Did that ultimately impact their ability to assess the health of the economy right now? How much did that data disruption factor into what we're seeing today?
It definitely did. So BLS just announced a series of revision to their data release schedule, and it looks like that for a whole slew of indicators, there will never be an October number.
Wow.
So it's not just the unemployment rate and not just for the CPI, but also export, import prices, PPI, all sorts of data. There's not going to be ever an October number.
And how significant is that? How big of a black hole of knowledge loss is that?
Well, so for example, had the schedule been normal, had there not been a government shutdown, then the Fed would have the November non-farm payroll data before this December meeting. They would have a couple CPI, PPI data before this meeting. And they had none of that. It could be that, so we are going to be getting the non-farm payrolls data next week, which is, abnormal, right? And it would be a dual payroll data release. So we will get both October and November numbers. They are going into this December cut with more faith in Powell's read of the economy.